Hi everyone, Jackie Edwards here again from Bali. Sorry it might be a little bit noisy, it's morning here, so there's quite a bit of traffic outside. So I'll try to be brief and I'll try to make sure I speak loudly. So welcome back to beautiful Bali. Today I want to talk to you about hiring people and taking on new staff. Because I know a lot of us, starting up our small businesses, this is one of the kind of first steps and one of the hardest steps really is to find somebody that kind of fits in with your culture, fits in and that you can trust because really nobody can do your business and nobody can work in it and give it the same level of attention, the same love, the same care as you do. Nobody is going to do it as well as you do. But in order to leverage your time, you need to start thinking of bringing other people in to help you with it if you want your business to grow. So we talked about a few things on how to find the right people. So it's not, in a lot of detail, it's quite high level, but it just gave me some really good ideas and some things to think on. So let me just read to you what we had kind of said. So when you're looking at bringing somebody on, the first thing you need to do is to put together a job description for them. And how you do that is you basically start and do a big brain dump of everything that you're doing every day that you really dislike. Then you want to look at all the things that aren't getting done because you really don't want to do them. Again, what do you dislike? What's not getting done because you don't want to do it? And then you want to look at things that somebody else can do for cheaper. So what can you delegate in your business? So it might be stuff that's quite high volume. Email is the first thing that comes to my mind is I don't need to be the one checking and answering all my email. I get a lot of junk mail. I get a lot of just things that need just a quick response. And for me, it takes a bit longer because I have such a huge volume of email. So if you do that brain dump, put together kind of that job description of what do you need, what don't you want to do anymore that somebody else can do. That'll just give you a place to start and do some, brainstorming on it. So you can start narrowing it down to what you want somebody to do. Because I found that in order to find the best person and the person that's the best fit for the company, your job description should be quite specific. It should really explain, your values, what you want somebody to do specifically. So if they're just going to be answering emails, you don't want to have a big, long, full personal assistant job description that you copy from somewhere else. You just want to say, I need somebody between 10 and 3 to answer these specific types of emails. And also, when you are looking at hiring somebody, you need to be looking and making sure that they're going to be generating revenue in some way. And it might not be specific to them. So, for instance, if you hire a bookkeeper, they're not going to be generating revenue directly by doing their bookkeeping. But it needs to be freeing up your time so that you're out there generating more revenue. So if you're hiring, a personal assistant or a virtual assistant for 2 hours a week, you need to look and say, am I freeing up 2 hours of my time to increase the revenue by enough to, pay for that virtual assistant? If you're thinking of hiring as a promotion, any promotion that you're doing should have, monetary impact. You should be increasing your profits or your revenues from it. So even with hiring, you should look at how am I going to make more money? How is either that person going to go out and make more sales, or maybe they're going to cut costs, or how are they going to free me up so that I can go out and make more sales? So those are kind of the top two things that you should be doing your brain dump and understanding everything you want that person to be doing, and understanding how they're going to be increasing your revenue or your bottom line. I hope that was helpful in giving you a few tips to think about when you're looking to expand. And thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you soon.